I'm Ryan, and I'm going to teach you how to Travis pick. Travis picking is named after Merle Travis, who was a virtuoso guitarist. He didn't just play one picking pattern, but what he played usually included the thumb going back and forth between the low E and D string, like this. Our pattern can be broken down into two parts. Here's part one. Again. So I play the low E string with the thumb, then both the D and B strings with the thumb and middle finger, respectively. We're playing quarter notes, so if the beat is 1, 2, 3, 4, it should be this fast. If you're following along with your guitar, I recommend that you pause the video and do this for 5 minutes. Nice and slow. Slow is smooth, and smooth is fast. Next is part two of the picking pattern. One more time. This is the low E string with the thumb, the B string with the middle finger, the D string with the thumb, and then the G string with the index finger. These are eighth notes, which are twice as fast as the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, I'd recommend stopping the video and practicing this for 5 minutes, over and over. Take it slow. Now all you have to do is put them together, which is more difficult than it sounds. Since both of these patterns are brand new, your brain is going to be flooded with information every time you switch between them. So be nice to yourself, go slowly, and give your brain the time it needs to not only learn, but learn in a robust way that frees up your mental bandwidth again. And then it's just chicken picking.